Hi, I'm Dr. Fiona Caldwell, and I'm a practicing veterinarian at Idaho Veterinary Hospital, and I'm answering questions from Pets Best Facebook page today. The first question comes from Jerry, who says, "My dog has red, raw, and chewed on paws. What do I do?" This is probably likely due to allergies, so this is a really common problem at this time of year. And dogs are obviously walking on their feet and they're going through grass, and pollens and dust and things can get on the feet and cause some contact allergies. So you're probably going to need to make an appointment with your veterinarian to rule out things like infection. Bacterial or fungal infections can be a problem on those really red and irritated paws. Oftentimes antibiotics are needed. But things that you can do at home to try to help would be to rinse those feet after you're walking or going outside. Rinse the feet. You can use a soothing shampoo, something with oatmeal to soothe the skin can sometimes be helpful. And then work with your veterinarian on a treatment plan, whether it involves antibiotics or antihistamines or other things for underlying allergies. The next question comes from Kim, who asks, could yeast be causing multi-ear infections, and is there a home remedy that I can use? Absolutely. Yeast is a really common fungus that can live in the ear canal and sometimes cause some problems. It's normal to have small amounts of yeast in the ear canal, but when it overgrows, it can really be a problem. Sometimes allergies can be an underlying cause. Dogs with floppy ears that tend to trap moisture and heat in the ear seem to be predisposed as well. If you have a concern that your dog has a fungal infection, it's really important that you get the correct medicine. You need to see a veterinarian and get prescribed medication. But if this is a chronic problem and you're in the in-between and you don't have an active infection but you just want to keep it from flaring up, there are some things that you can do at home. The number one best thing is going to be to use some type of an ear cleaner. And what an ear cleaner will do is actually act as an astringent, so it's going to dry that canal out and make it a less nice place for yeast and fungus to live. I'm going to recommend that you buy a cleaner that's meant for dogs and meant for dogs with fungal infections from your veterinarian. If you wanted to do something at home, acetic acid works really nicely as an antifungal, and that's just vinegar. And then a recipe that you could try is equal parts vinegar and water with a capful of rubbing alcohol. Really important though that the ear isn't inflamed or red, because alcohol is going to sting. So if you think you have an infection, do not use this. Go to your veterinarian. But if you're just in between and need a cleaner, that might work for you.